Hello, hello. Welcome to another video. This is going to be a rather short video because I have a project to do and I thought that I would bring you along. We're going to be sublimating on a license plate to make a vanity license plate. Many of you have probably seen where people will have something on either their front or back plate. In the states that allow it, a lot of times you only need one plate. And in Georgia, I'm in one of those states. So this is why we're doing it. You can also use these as kind of maybe wall art or something like that to put in a studio, a den, or anything like that. But at any rate, this is going to go on a car. And this is one of the sublimated, coated, sublimation coated license plates. I got this one from Amazon, and I've already cleaned it off. You want to wipe this off with maybe a damp towel with alcohol or something to make sure that there's no fingerprints or anything on it. I think I touched it again, so let me just re-wipe the top of it to make sure you don't have any smudge marks or anything like that on it. You want to measure your plates when you get them. These measure right at 6 by 12. So you want to make your image just a little bit larger than that. It just makes it easier when it comes time to lay down your, put your transfer over your license plate. So let me grab my transfer and oh, here it is. We'll get started. I thought I put it near, and I did. Okay, I am going to be using this blue sublimation tape for this project. And you can also get this tape on Amazon. It is blue and it's a thick tape. And you know, when I first got it, I was wondering, you know, blue tape, is it going to leave any type of residue? And you will be happy to know that it does not. It sticks well, holds up to the heat, and it's easy to release afterwards, and you do not have any residue. And the thing that I like about it is I can actually put it in a regular tape dispenser. Okay, and I'll also leave the link to this as well. For the metal, you normally do the metal with with the metal on top. I was almost flipped it. Normally you have your transfer on top. Metal goes on top when you are using these for sublimation. As far as time and temperature goes, I am going to sublimate at 380. Oops, I forgot to adjust from my last project. Normally I do these adjustments before I put it down. Okay, I forgot. But anyway, 385 Fahrenheit at kind of a medium pressure, medium to heavy pressure. And I'm going to do 1 minute. When this is done, it is going to be incredibly hot. So you want to make sure you have your heat gloves. And when you lift it up, you want to make sure that you do it in one quick motion. Because if you don't and you smear it or you take your time, you can, because it's going to be so hot, you can kind of smudge it even after the fact. So sometimes I'll even let it cool for a few minutes before I pick it up. So let's see, we only have a few more seconds to wait. I will remind you, if you have not already not signed up, if you have not already liked the video, please do so and subscribe. I certainly appreciate it. And those of you that use my affiliate links when you purchase, I appreciate that as well, because I will leave an affiliate link for both the tape and the license plates. Okay, we're done. Like I told you, this is going to be quick. Okay, now the other thing I will remind you, you definitely want to be well ventilated when you're doing metal, because the coating on the metal is kind of strong. So I normally make sure I have my windows open and my fan going. Okay, that is very, very hot. And let me find my gloves. Okay, now the last video I had a perfect pair of gloves, and now this video I don't know where my other glove is. So I'm going to let this sit for just a second, and I'm going to find another glove, and then we will do the big reveal. All right, I have my gloves. And the image, if I didn't say it before, the image is from Creative Fabrica, and I will link that below. Let's turn it over, lift it off, and look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, what do you think? I am quite pleased. The colors look great. They pop. It's very smooth, and I think it would be really, really good as a gift. Maybe stick it down in a Mother's Day basket, or even do a teacher one, or maybe for a new graduate student. You can uses are endless. If you are going to be putting it on a car, I have had people spray theirs with a UV protectant clear spray. I don't normally do that, and I haven't had anybody have trouble with them after the fact. But if you wanted to, I'm sure you could do that if you feel like that might protect the color a little bit longer. But this is our Sublimation license plate. And thank you so very much for watching. I hope that we showed you something new today. Thanks again. Bye-bye.